Next in Python, we are going to find out number of vowels within a given string. So here I am taking one variable text, and within this variable we are going to take input of our string, input, within double quotes our messages, enter a string. Now one variable we are taking is count. So this variable, to this variable I'm giving initial value of 0, and later on it will be holding number of vowels within a given string. Now I'm starting a for loop, so it's a loop. Here I'm taking one more variable ch. Now for ch in our string is in variable text. So for ch in text, what it is going to do, if ch in vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Now it's a loop, it is going to check each and every character of string, and if it is vowel, then it is going to increase the count variable value by 1. Count equals to count plus 1. And here outside the loop we can print the value of count. Print vowels count equals to, and here we can print our count variable. Now this ch, our string is in text. This loop will run until the string ends, and it is going to catch each and every character of string. It will check if it is a, e, I, o, u. If it is, then it is going to increase the count variable value by 1. Again it will go up. Again it will check another character of string. This way it is going to run till the string ends, and in the end the variable value of count variable will be printed here, because it is going to hold the number of vowels in our string. Save it and run it. So enter a string. I'm giving a string, hello, how are you? Vowels are 7. Again we can run the program, and here we can say this is Python. So number of vowels in the string are 3.